Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can supercharge your NebuMine crypto mining team build with the power of Infinity Traffic Boost. So stick around for some pro tips that will take your mining efficiency to the next level, and find out if I screw up the closing of the video. It has become a theme in my first few videos. So let's get started. Now, here with Infinity Traffic Boost, they allow you to earn Bitcoin by viewing everyone's traffic links and affiliate links, and you can also advertise your own affiliate links, which is what we're going to do here with our NebuMine team crypto mining team build. And if you've ever seen this, if you're into affiliate marketing, online marketing, internet marketing, or anything, and you've been on traffic exchanges or seeing this, surf 100 pages, earn $64,000. This is the website that allows you to do that. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, but you have the 100 pages crossed out, Patrick, and it's replaced by 10. What does that mean? Well, I stumbled upon a system that allows you to surf 10 pages rather than 100 pages per day. They have a 15-second timer to watch every ad. That adds up, and to get to 100, you can see that's a long time. It's over half an hour. And so they allow you to surf 10 pages a day because they have a rotator system that will put the your referrals underneath you automatically and help you boost up on the system with Infinity Traffic Boost automatically. So this is the link that I'm going to include in the description below, so you guys don't have to do such hard work in surfing 100 pages to get to the 64,000 in a year. And to be honest with you, you got to get 4 referrals who do the same thing, surf 100 pages. But if they do it right and they stumble upon this system, they can get there faster and with far fewer page views. So always keep that in mind. And so, thanks to the magic of already having stuff done, I'm already logged in. And there are a few things that you'll want to do when you get to Infinity Traffic Boost after you have joined and signed up and logged in. And one of the first things is, let's go over to the mailer. And we're going to go to, no, let's not do that. Let's do this first. Go to financial. Go to earnings. And if I'm not mistaken, the site takes a little while to do. There we go. I think it's set up to get paid in Bitcoin because that's what they are. But you'll want to switch that from whatever they have it set as the default to come all the way down here to use earnings to purchase TPOs your way up. This will automatically add you to the next higher level without you having to make any purchases or anything, and that's how you're able to surf the 100 pages a day or the 10 pages a day if you use this system to get to the $64,000 in 1 year. And once you make that change, you're going to click here, and they're going to send you a pin to your email, a security pin. And once you receive that security pin in your email, you just copy and paste it and place it here. And then you'll save your settings, and you'll be good to go. And with Infinity Traffic Boost, the way it works is once you get started there, you'll click on Traffic Exchange and surf pages. You'll have to verify that you're not a robot. That's one thing that's great about this site, is no bots or anything that you can program to do the clicking for you. As you see, the timer is 15 seconds. The ads displayed like so. You'll wait on the timer to count down. You see, I've already done my 10 pages. And you'll have to click on the color of the box they say, which is really simple. Boom. Then you click continue surfing. Now you see all those extra steps can add up to a lot of time, which is why I like the system of surfing the 10 pages. Okay, and so let's go back to the dashboard, And that's basically how you would surf on Infinity Traffic Boost. And another thing that you'll need to do is do your mailer option. Now, it says mailer upgrade for me, but normally it's going to say that the opt-in mail is turned off. You want to click on that, and dang it, I didn't expect that to happen. Okay, we'll go back. Anyway, you'll want to click the option to allow the emails to be received. That will allow you to send emails yourself as well. And no, that's going to send me there. I already turned the thing on. But yeah, just do that so you can receive emails, because you can send emails with this site as well. Okay, and so folks, that is basically it. I already have you'll click on get exposure to promote your affiliate links. And I have, since I'm new on Infinity Traffic Boost, I started with them last year, couldn't get any referrals, but I swapped to this team, and I have 3. But we start off with 1 slot to advertise your link. I have my affiliate link in here right now. You can upgrade to get additional advertising slots. I may look into it, or of course, if you surf more, you get the slots sooner. But I don't feel like doing all that. It takes so much time. But I'm not trying to discourage you at all. You have to put the work in to get everything done. But yeah, like I said, I have my link in. I may upgrade. The upgrades are really not that expensive on this site. You can pay in Bitcoin or several other cryptocurrencies. And boy, their site is really slow today. Okay, there we go. And ta-da, where was I? Upgrades. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Add-ons. We don't want to do. Okay, let's not worry about that. I'm babbling on too much. But that'll be another topic. What's going on here? What? All right, buy advertising credits. That's what I was looking for. You have to excuse me. I had a long day as it is. And they have the different packages that you can use to upgrade and get more ad campaigns so you can advertise more links. Okay, and you can see what the cost is. They do in Bitcoin, but they do have a breakdown. This is an approximation based on whatever the price of Bitcoin is at that time. And it's really not that expensive to upgrade. If you don't want to do any surfing at all and you're a big baller, you can just give them the $3,100 and you never have to surf. You're automatically in the top tier, and within a year's time you would have about $64,000 in Bitcoin, or whatever Bitcoin's price is. Basically, that's what they were basing the $64,000 on. But so that's basically it, folks. And I do want to thank you for watching, Crypto Warriors. And if you found this video helpful, I think I did kind of screw up, but I'm not cutting. I don't edit. We've gone through this. I told you I don't edit because I don't feel like it. If you do it right, you don't have to do it. I like having the mistakes in there so you know I'm a human. But down the line, I am going to put in technology and have something do it for me, just to see how well it works. But as I was saying, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Plus, bang on that heart button, and you'll never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. So keep mining, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy mining.